This is a full servo underpad production line. Tissue paper unit. Double pneumatic shaft rack, using frequency converter and winding constant tension control. Web guider.
Core forming system.
The feed of pulp is controlled by servo, which can automatically adjust the dosage according to the change of production speed to ensure the uniform weight of the product. Co-compacting device. Tissue paper supply. Tissue paper you covered. Embossing roller. Vision system. Core cutter. The core body is cut according to the design lengths, driven by servo, online phase adjustment. Top sheet backsheet unit. Falls both sides of PE film inward. Adopts high precision screw guide rail structure, convenient adjustment. Wheel compacting device. Release paper supply. Product longitudinal coating device. Job type coating, folding the product lengthwise. Superimposed omega type can be adjusted. Compacting device. Funnel cutter. Product folding device E. Product second folding device. Eliminating device. Product counting device. Composed of an independent motor and a conveyor belt, which can arrange the product neatly and output it.